In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and print checks using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, grab your preferred device and let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser. While you can use any browser you're comfortable with, Chrome is generally recommended for the best compatibility with QuickBooks Online. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the QuickBooks Online website, log in with your usual credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. What you're going to want to do is click on the plus new button, which is conveniently marked with a plus icon. This is your gateway to quite a few different features, but for today we're focusing on writing checks. Now, as you explore the options under Plus New, look for the section labeled Vendors. Under that, you'll find an option to select Check. Click on that, and let's move on to setting up your check details. The next step is to choose the bank account from which you want to write the check. QuickBooks will provide you with a list of your linked bank accounts, so just select the one that you want to use for this transaction. With your bank account selected, it's time to fill in the details of the check. Start by entering the payee name. This is essentially the person or company that you're planning to pay, so make sure you double check the spelling to avoid any issues later on. Following the payee, you'll need to enter the amount. This should be the total sum you're intending to pay. In addition to the amount, you'll also want to fill in the date that you want the check to be issued. If you have any specific notes or instructions related to this payment, you can include those in the memo field. It's a helpful little spot for adding context that might be useful for you or the payee. Once you've entered those details, it's time to specify where the money's going. Scroll down to the category or item details section. This is where you'll add the expense or item details. Be as specific as possible here. It's for your records after all and can help significantly with bookkeeping. Now that you've got all the information filled out, click the Save and Print button. QuickBooks will prompt you to load some check paper into your printer. Make sure you have that check paper ready. Follow the on-screen instructions on how to load it correctly, and then go ahead with printing your check. And there you have it. You've successfully written and printed a check using QuickBooks Online. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Happy bookkeeping!